So ever since I've watched the Yes Theory documentary on Danta or El Mirador, I've always wanted to go, and that came out, what, 4 years ago maybe? I've always wanted to do it since seeing that, and now we're here. We're on the way to go see it, which is pretty crazy. Never would have thought I'd be here now doing it. It's wearing the Yes Theory t-shirt. Coincidentally, wasn't planned. But yeah, pretty cool. Thanks Yes Theory for giving us the inspiration to go. And now brought Mel along with me. So we're going to drive up here. Then we're going to walk to, on this route, Danta. Then we've got this big route all the way up to El Mirador. And here we spent 2 nights. So we're going to camp around this area. Then you head up to Danta, which is the largest pyramid. And then on the next day, down this way. And back to here. So, all in all, 5-day trip. So we are just in the car now, on the way to the first site. Can't believe it. And it's very bumpy. I'll turn the stabilisation off and hopefully you'll be able to see how bumpy it actually is.
So we just entered the main part of the jungle. Our guide said that it would be about 4 or 5 days of hiking today to the first camp.
Hours.
Sorry, 4 or 5 hours.
That's how fast we are.
Yeah.
Yeah. 4 or 5 hours of hiking today. It's about 17.5 kilometers.
So we're almost 2 hours into the walk, and pretty decent pace as we're going, and it is hot. I think being in the jungle, there's no wind, a little bit of sun poking through. Yeah. So we have just arrived at Camp 1. It's pretty cool. So they don't call it the rainforest for nothing.
So we just started day 2. It's 6:08, and the floor's really muddy because it rained so much last night and yesterday afternoon, so it's all clumpy, already sticking to our boots. But today's the day we go to El Mirador, 23 kilometers.
Our guide just said that sometimes in the rainy season he's come here and he's had to wade through puddles and stuff on this route up to about here, which is crazy. I don't think I'd want to do that. So this is an old Mayan house, and right next to it is an old Mayan temple. So this is inside or under the Mayan house. This is where they used to live. Whoa, you just threw that at us. Alright, let's get out of here. Whoa. So we are just next to some howling monkeys. So this is the pyramid together, and this is all like all the base, which is what we're on. Around here, it goes miles down there. These are all residential. And this main body is all of this here. It's completely overgrown, and it's now like been taken back by the jungle. Here's the top. Wow.
So this is the top of the Pyramid of the Tiger. There's 3 main structures on the top of the pyramid on like the last platform we were on. This is the tallest one, and we can see all the top of the canopy in the jungle here. Over there, that little mound, is La Danta, which is the biggest pyramid by volume in the world. So we'll go to see that tomorrow.
You're watching the sunset on the pyramid. Got up nice early this morning, 5 AM, to go up a different pyramid this time and watch the sunrise. Don't know if you can see the colours, but it's really nice and orange at the minute. Probably hear the howling monkeys. They started at about 12 o'clock at midnight and just kept on going and going and going, so loud. So you can hear them from about 5 kilometers away.
So we're just watching the sun come out. It's the best sunset we've ever seen. It's just big and pink, accompanied by howling monkeys and some spider monkeys in the trees there.
So today we have some papaya and some homemade pancakes.
Yeah, much more than we were expecting.
Yeah, courtesy of our lovely chef.
We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me love, show me love, show me love, show me love, make a change.
Today we're exploring the east side of the El Mirador site. Pretty big, it's like the larger area of the site. And then later on today, we're going to be heading up to the other side of El Mirador, which is where La Danta is. But today, visiting the temples around here. And
our guide just told us that the Mayans cleared 16 hectares of forest to build the city of El Mirador. Marinate on that for a second.
This is all we got. Show me.
so this is the temple of the jaguar.
Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. Oh, this is all we got, and I know you'll make mistakes. Get interference and lose your way. Find the light.
This whole thing is La Danta. This bit here is this bit here. You probably can't get an idea of the scale on a small camera, but this bit is huge by itself, and all of this makes it the biggest pyramid in the world by volume. Not the tallest, but the biggest by volume. Pretty cool. So we're gonna head up to the top of La Danta, hopefully see the sun setting.
Show me love, this is all we got. Show me light, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love.
So, right here on the ground it's all mud in the minute. It's all completely overgrown and the forest has reclaimed it. But under here is something called stucco. So it's like a homemade concoction that the Mayans used to make out of limestone and some kind of burning process with wood and stuff. And this whole thing is completely covered in it. And it's 17 football fields wide. But everything we're walking on would have been paved by the Mayans, between 1,000 and 2,000 years ago.
So this is the second level of the La Danta pyramid that we saw on the map.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my.
So this is level 3 that we're just heading up now of La Danta. This one's 28 meters high, and it's the third out of the 4. So there's one next one which apparently is really steep.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars.
So this is the final level.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Drive a faster car.
We made it to the top of La Danta after what, 3 days?
Yeah.
3 days of walking.
It's so beautiful.
After 3 days of walking and like multiple like blisters and bad things and stuff, we finally made it.
And it's all worth it.
It's all 100%.
Beautiful view, and we can see so far. We can just imagine how the ancient Mayans were like on top of here, and they could see all their 52 cities in the area.